Hey there, in this video I will show you how to create a group appointment page. So basically the group appointment is where there can be multiple invitees in the same booking session. For example, online classes for teaching, let's say math classes or some sort of courses, or maybe a yoga classes where multiple people can join the same session. In order to do that, let's create a first page. A new page will be created here. Let me just name it Yoga Studio. We will choose the same domain. Let me just check the availability. Yeah, it's available. Let me just upload a new logo. So the page is created. Let me just refresh it. I think I forgot to upload the logo. Let me just upload again. Yeah. So the page is now ready. Let me just take a look. So this is the appointment page for Yoga Studio. Now we are going to add a resource on it. Go to resource, click on create resource, select the group option and yoga classes. Please book your yoga here, and let's say we are going to do these yoga classes on Zoom, or we can do this on Google Meet as well. Let me just select Google Meet, as I have already connected with Google Meet. In schedule, I have already specified my timing. Let me just change the future date to, let's say, maximum 7 days in the future, and duration to 1 hour. Okay. In payment, we are going to keep it free. In limit, let's say we want to accept up to 100 students on the same classes. So just save it. Let's check the preview now. We selected the agency page, so let me just change the page to just the page we just created, Yoga Studio 1. Save it. And now we have this resource added on the Yoga Studio page called Yoga Class. So whenever someone want to book this yoga class, we have two slots. One is 7 a.m., one is 5 p.m. in the evening, and each slot has the 100 spots available for bookings. We can customize that from here. In the limit sections, we have defined 100. So let's say if we just want to keep 50, we can do that as well. Up to 50 members can book the same session, and they will receive the same Google Meet link in order to join that particular session on 7 a.m. 50 and on 5 p.m. 50. We can also change the timing as well. For example, I want to change the timing to, instead of 7-8, let me just change it to 6 a.m. in the morning. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. and then I am going to copy it to all other weekdays. Click on the update, check now. So now the spots available at 6 a.m. is 50 spots, and the spots available at 5 p.m. is 50 spots. Now whenever someone want to book this session, they can just enter the name details here, and then I can see those bookings here in the booking page. Let me just create a few for, let's say we will select the 25th June 6 a.m. slot. Let me just add detail here, Vicky, and email address Vicky. So the slot is booked. I can see these details here in the bookings page. This one, yoga classes, and I can see that 25th June 6 a.m. One invite has been received. If we see it here on the page, we will see that out of 50, one slot is booked. So we have 49 spots available now on the 6 a.m. slot, and as more bookings are taken, let me just book one more with another name. So I booked one more slot, and now there should be two invitees on the same booking. One is Vicky and this Priyanka. I can download all those invitees from this download options here. It will download all the invitees in the CSV format, and yeah, this is how the group event looks like, where I can create a single event with multiple time slots and with multiple sports available, so that the same number of or maybe dynamically we can change that as well, so that let's say if there are 10, 50 or 100 students who needs to join the same session for either yoga, for math classes, for anything which required a group booking, where multiple persons should join the same session, whether it's a webinar event or maybe some sort of startup coachings, so you can use the group event. All those for all those cases you can use the group event options. Thank you.